Have you ever felt lost, like everything around you is falling apart, and yet something inside whispers that it will all be okay? That quiet voice is not just hope. It is Allah working silently for you, arranging your life in ways you cannot yet see. Sometimes, the most powerful blessings are the ones you do not notice. Today we will uncover 7 signs that Allah is moving behind the scenes to guide you, protect you, and bring peace to your heart. The first sign is patience in the waiting. Life often feels heavy. Opportunities seem delayed. You may wonder if your prayers reach anyone. But when Allah works quietly, you notice that patience itself becomes a gift. You start to feel calm in situations where before you felt panic. Small victories begin to appear, like a door opening when you least expect it. Every delay carries a lesson. Every pause holds purpose. When you learn to trust the waiting, you are witnessing Allah's hand in your life. The second sign is protection from harm. Sometimes you pray for something intensely, but it never comes. At first, it feels like disappointment. Later, you realize that what you wanted might have brought harm or difficulty you could not see. Allah shields you quietly. That sudden change in plans, the person who did not show up, the path you avoided, these are not coincidences. They are signs that you are under divine protection, even when you cannot trace it. Look back at your life, and you will find countless moments where this invisible shield saved you. The third sign is clarity in confusion. Life can be messy. Decisions feel impossible. Hearts feel torn. Then slowly, without fanfare, clarity emerges. You start to see what aligns with your values, your purpose, and your peace. Guidance often comes in subtle ways, through books, conversations, moments of reflection. You begin to make choices with certainty you never thought possible. That is Allah's wisdom guiding you silently, ensuring you step forward with confidence, not fear. The fourth sign is the feeling of inner peace. Even when everything around you is chaotic, you find a calmness in your heart that cannot be explained. Small problems lose their weight. Relationships that once hurt feel lighter. Your faith grows quietly, gently, like a stream running under the surface. You may not notice it at first, but that peace is a sign that Allah is aligning your life with what is best for your soul. The fifth sign is unexpected doors opening. Opportunities appear that you never imagined. Jobs, friendships, chances to grow, moments to give. These come in ways you could not plan. They may not look perfect at first. They may arrive quietly. But over time, you see how they shape your life for the better. Allah arranges circumstances silently, guiding your steps without forcing them. Recognize these moments, no matter how small, and you will feel gratitude that grows deeper every day. The sixth sign is resilience in hardship. Struggles do not disappear, but your response to them changes. You find strength you did not know existed. Your heart heals faster, your mind grows wiser, your soul becomes stronger. Challenges turn into lessons. Pain turns into patience. Every time you rise after a fall, every time you breathe through difficulty, you are experiencing Allah's quiet work. You are learning without even realizing it, being shaped into a version of yourself that is more capable, more faithful, more at peace. The seventh sign is gratitude for the little things. When Allah works silently, life feels richer, even in simplicity. A cup of tea, a smile from a stranger, the sound of birds in the morning, a moment of laughter, all of it becomes a reminder of His care. Gratitude is not just about acknowledging blessings. It is a sign that your heart is tuned to the quiet rhythm of divine guidance. When you notice these small blessings, you are witnessing Allah's hand shaping your joy, one subtle moment at a time. Remember, Allah is always at work, even when you cannot see it. Life's unseen threads are woven with care. Every delay, every twist, every silent guidance is part of a greater plan. Trust it, embrace it, and let it strengthen your faith. Your journey is sacred. Your struggles are meaningful. Your heart is never alone. If this message touched you, hold it close. Let it remind you that even in silence, you are seen, you are guided, and you are deeply loved. Like this video if it lifted your heart, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more reminders that inspire and strengthen your faith. Your life is moving, quietly, beautifully, under the care of a wisdom greater than you can imagine. Never forget that.